A business entity or tenant may lease an office space, retail establishment, or other commercial structure under a Massachusetts commercial lease agreement. It helps structure the relationship between tenant and landlord, providing a reliable foundation for business operations. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Andrew Chung with DoorLoop. Today, we'll take a closer look at the Massachusetts commercial lease agreement. A commercial lease agreement outlines the terms, conditions, and obligations of maintaining and renting a business space. There are different types of commercial leases you may encounter, from gross leases where tenants pay just the rent, triple net leases that make tenants responsible for a majority of the costs, to percentage leases beneficial for startups where, once successful, the tenant pays the landlord a portion of the profits, and modified gross leases that allow cost division. Every lease agreement must include a range of information, including property information, party information, lease terms and expenses, and the signatures of both parties. Massachusetts law states that commercial leases only become void if they are unclear about these core provisions. Landlords must also provide certain disclosures to new tenants. These include the location of the security deposit, details of the fire insurance policy, and any potential presence of lead-based paint in structures built before 1978. Agreements must also include cost responsibilities. With DoorLoop, you can create your own customized Massachusetts commercial lease agreement if our sample forms don't cover your needs. Our eForms agreement creation tool makes it a breeze, and we have handy templates available in both PDF and Word formats. The bottom line? Running a rental business requires creating comprehensive lease agreements. And if this is your first time, property management software like DoorLoop can help simplify the process. We invite you to schedule a free demo. Click on the link in the description below. Now, before we get to some frequently asked questions, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1, does a Massachusetts commercial lease agreement need to be notarized? The answer is no. A commercial lease does not have to be notarized to be valid in Massachusetts. Question number 2, can a tenant sublease a part of the property? In general, tenants can sublease part of the property with the landlord's consent, but it's crucial to keep in mind this consent cannot be unreasonably withheld or delayed. Question number 3, can all types of tenants rent a commercial property? The answer is no. Only tenants intending to use the property for business operations can enter into these contracts. And question number 4, what happens if a tenant damages the property? Besides regular wear and tear, tenants are responsible for maintaining the property. Any serious damage could lead to eviction or other actions, with a tenant generally obliged to repair all damages. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.